Hello, fellow Christmas lovers and enthusiasts. You are listening to Closer to Christmas. Today is June 4th. That means there's 204 days left until Christmas. Continuing Bird Week, today's episode is all about Christmas birds at the table. Birds have played a role, not just in carols, but on the Christmas dinner table. In Victorian England, roast goose was the traditional Christmas meal, not turkey. Why goose? Well, because it was a common farm bird, eaten after it had fattened on the leftovers of the harvest. Turkeys, which are native to North America, didn't become the star of the holiday feast until the 19th century, when they were more widely imported and seen as a luxury. So if you're enjoying a turkey at Christmas, thank a few centuries of culinary evolution and a goose that once reigned supreme. Remember, the next time you hear my voice in this podcast, we'll all be a little bit closer to Christmas. Thanks for listening.